Welcome to the Daily Quiz Podcast. Today's category is Science and Nature. Let's get to it. Question 1. What is the symbol for copper? Is it A, Cp, B, Cu, C, Co, or D, Cm? The answer is B, Cu.
The symbol for copper, Cu, comes from its Latin name cuprum, which is derived from Cyprium AES, meaning metal of Cyprus. This is because ancient Romans sourced their copper from the Mediterranean island of Cyprus. Copper's reddish hue and excellent conductivity make it a staple in electrical wiring and coinage.
Question 2. What is bioclimatology the study of? Is it A, wine and winemaking, B, friction and lubrication, C, Christianity, or D, the effects of climate on living organisms? The answer is D, the effects of climate on living organisms.
Bioclimatology delves into how climate influences the behavior, distribution, and survival of living organisms. Imagine how polar bears thrive in icy habitats while cacti flourish in arid deserts. This fascinating field uncovers the intricate dance between climate patterns and life on Earth.
Question 3. What is radiology the study of? Is it A, the moon, B, the specialty in medicine that deals with diseases of the lungs and the respiratory tract, C, rays, usually ionizing radiation, or D, the same as otolaryngology? The answer is C, rays, usually ionizing radiation.
Radiology, the study of rays and ionizing radiation, revolutionized medicine by allowing doctors to see inside the human body without surgery. Wilhelm Röntgen's discovery of X-rays in 1895 earned him the first-ever Nobel Prize in Physics and transformed diagnostics forever. Today, radiology is essential for detecting everything from broken bones to complex diseases.
Question 4. What is the word for a group of dolphins? Is it A, a stud, B, a school, C, a parliament, or D, a clouder? The answer is B, a school.
A group of dolphins is called a school, but did you know they can also be referred to as a pod? These intelligent marine mammals use complex communication and teamwork within their schools, often coordinating to herd fish into tight balls for easier feeding.
Question 5. What is a female wallaby known as? Is it A, a sow, B, a ewe, C, a gill, or D, a gander? The answer is C, a gill.
A female wallaby is called a gill. These agile marsupials, native to Australia, are known for their incredible jumping abilities. Gills carry their young, known as joeys, in pouches just like kangaroos. Interestingly, they can pause their pregnancies during tough times, a phenomenon called embryonic diapause.
Question 6. A female sea lion is known as what? Is it A, a sow, B, a hen, C, a pen, or D, a cow? The answer is D, a cow.
A female sea lion is called a cow, just like their land-dwelling bovine counterparts. These marine cows are known for their strong maternal instincts and can often be seen fiercely protecting their pups from predators and other threats in the wild.
Question 7. What would you call a baby owl? Is it A, a caterpillar, B, a codling, C. An owlet. Or D. A colt. The answer is C. An owlet.
An owlet, the adorable term for a baby owl, is born with closed eyes and a fluffy down coat. These tiny creatures are known for their curious nature and rapid growth, quickly developing the iconic wide-eyed stare that makes owls so enchanting in folklore and popular culture.
Question 8. What is a female manatee known as? Is it A. A cow, B. A tigress, C. A vixen, or D. A Jill? The answer is A. A cow.
A female manatee is called a cow, and just like their bovine counterparts on land, they are gentle grazers. Manatees can consume up to 10% of their body weight in aquatic plants each day, making them the serene gardeners of the underwater world.
May your neurons keep firing and your curiosity stay evergreen. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of our world, both microscopic and cosmic. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. See you later, until tomorrow comes around.
This episode is produced by Classic Studios. See the show notes page for sources and credits. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.